Hey, how?
Welcome back to the channel. We made it to Mahabaleshwar. It was really late in the night, close to 12:30. We found a place to stay, checked in, and just went to sleep. Now it's 8 in the morning. As it was raining last night while riding up here, it's still pouring, it's still drizzling. So, not all the hotels are opened here, is what we got to know last night. And there is some COVID formalities now. You need to have a medical certificate, or they will get one tested over here for you. Apart from that, everything was cool. There was no stop at the check post or anything like that. Today's plan is to visit a few places here which is open. Not all the places are open, but let's see what is open. We'll visit that and we'll head to Pune.
So we stayed here at Saidi Presidency. We checked in here last night. I think you can see the weather conditions. It's all foggy, it's drizzling. It's the same usual thing. We are not late actually, but we don't want to be late to our destination tonight as well. So we woke up, freshened up. Now we need to find a place for breakfast as we go to some viewpoint, but I'm not sure what we can view at the viewpoint. Here we go. इधर से जाते वक्त नाश्ता कहाँ मिलेगा, वहाँ नाश्ता करके जाएंगे। मारो और सीधा निकलते जाओ, लेफ्ट वगैरह राइट में, और 4 किलोमीटर के बाद में लेफ्ट मारेंगे तो पॉइंट वगैरह उधर। इस तरफ कुछ नहीं है सर। वो एलिफेंट पॉइंट कैसे जाना है? एलिफेंट पॉइंट बंद है अभी, बंद है। We don't know where we are headed now. Anybody we ask for directions, they say, यहाँ कुछ नहीं है, ऐसे ही जाओ, ऐसे ही जाओ. This is the only dialogue they're giving. So we are also doing the same thing, ऐसे ही जा रहे हैं. It's like we just came to Mahabaleshwar for the night to stay without visiting any place here. Actually, the thing is, nothing is visible now. There's no wind blowing. Oh my gosh, no parking zone either. So now we found 3 points of attraction. Points of attraction to visit on our way now. So the first is Kate's Point. We found this lake. We just clicked a few pics. So 1 is done. So 3 more to go. We are headed to Kate's Point. We finished the view at the lake. It is drizzling and we are riding. Okay, so we came to this junction where we need to take this road here, but it's closed. So Kate's Point is closed. Let's go. We found another board where all the tourist attraction spots are mentioned. We just visit one by one and see what is open, what isn't open. We started heading back towards the main road, but then we just asked the local here if any other point is open. So he said this is one of the best points. So he just asked us, you park the bike there and walk in for 10 minutes. You come so far, so why not just visit and walk away as soon as possible. So we thought, okay fine, might as well take a chance, and we're walking now. We just parked the bike, left our luggage at the gates there, and after about a brisk 10-minute walk, we made it to this place. We're just trying to find that elephant's viewpoint. Kate's Viewpoint, Echo Point, Needle's Hole and Elephant's Head. Okay, they're all here. This is Kate's Point, Elephant's Head at... okay, I don't think you can see it. But I don't see the elephant from there. I mean, it's not an elephant, the naturally formed shape of an elephant. Hey, my legs have heat boils now after the walk we did now. I don't know what to do. Hurting, kind of. Yes, there it is. That is what we came for. You see that? Okay, we were standing on top of it. Kate's point is that view from above the elephant's head. Here it is. View of elephant's head known as Needle Hole Point. Water spring is known as Vulture's Water. So like that, we made it to Elephant's View and Needle Hole Point. Elephant Head and Needle Hole Point in Mahabaleshwar. For me, this was the only thing I wanted to see here. I'm not interested in anything else, but get a chance to visit any other place, I'm okay with it. I have no issues. It's time to go. Let's start our walk back. Dude, get your helmet. The walk is a little tiring, especially while heading back, It's exhausting, We haven't had breakfast as of now. Our breakfast is still pending. We've walked almost 1.2 kilometers. We have to walk another 1.2. Climbing uphill. That is a task. I can't handle the camera now. I'm tired. I'll see you on the bike. We reached back to the motorcycle parking area. It was a tiring walk all the way. It was like climbing uphill non-stop. Still tired. We took some time here to relax, and now we're all ready to go. I know this place was closed, but there are so many locals who are coming here. You see cars here and there. There are people who came by walk as well. We were not the only ones here. So it wasn't a bad decision to walk. But yeah, we were suggested to take the bike inside as well, which we realized later we could have after the tiring walk. It would have been much better. Dude, intercom. There's a resort here as well. Arthur's Seat. You want to go that side? We'll leave something for the next visit. ಗಾಡಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ. Hey, ಹಾವು. ರೋಡ್ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಆಕ್ಯುಪೈ ಮಾಡ್ದ. ಓ ಶಿಟ್. ನಾನು ಇಳಿಸ್ದಲ್ಲ, ಹಾವಿತ್ತು. Okay, there was a snake which was trying to cross the road and the car was in the opposite direction. So I braked, he braked, everything, and the snake is safe. All are safe. It looks clean. खाना मिलेगा? Parcel. What do we do with parcel? So slippery. That was that valley. Elephant's Head is somewhere behind this hill. I think so. I'm not sure, but it looks like that because that echo point was that valley we noticed. I think if you come here during the summers, this entire mountain will look brown. Now in the monsoon, it looks so green. Okay, the actually park is closed. We just have to get the best viewpoint from here and click. We'll go there. We'll go to that plateau. You see those cars there? Yes, we'll go there. Ticket कुछ लेना है? Thank you. Okay, this tabletop point here, there is no ticket for two-wheelers. They are free to enter. Yeah, we came down to this tabletop point here, and wow, all my hunger just died there. And just clicking multiple photos the way we want. Amazing view. There are people on top as well, and here for two-wheelers there's no entry fee. You can just ride in. Four-wheelers there is some charge. I'm not aware of that. There are a couple of vehicles here and there, but it's awesome. Nitish is up there waiting for me. I'm down here, and this is the end that I found. This tabletop ends like this, and this is the valley. It's too good. I didn't expect this. I didn't know such a place existed here in Mahabaleshwar. This is not in Mahabaleshwar actually. It is in Panchgani. Nitish, how many photos did you click?
We took around like 30-40 pictures.
Don't forget to check Instagram. We'll post the best ones. I won't be posting all the photos. Which I feel is good, I feel was best. We'll post that. The handle will come down on the screen. Don't forget to go check it out. This place is awesome. I think we're in the perfect weather conditions. It's not sunny,
The sun has
it's
disappeared.
cloudy. The sun has disappeared, it's somewhere there. It's cloudy and it's green. It's a carpet of green and some concrete jungle there. The towns keep coming up here and there. Yeah, it's nice. I think we spent enough time in Mahabaleshwar and Panchgani looking at places. I feel like we've covered the best places amongst all of the tourist locations here. So it should be good. See, these are still clicking. Non-stop clicking. Shack, 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 click, click, click. Deserves so many clicks. There are so many points here. You can go to so many corners here. Every corner has a different perspective of view. It's nice. But the only problem is junk. There is so much of junk. I mean, garbage disposed everywhere. I don't know why people do it. So I'll get back to you on the road in a bit. We'll do some more photo sessions, eh, ma'am? Little more photos from different points with different perspectives, and then we can leave. It's not that we come here very often, right? So finally we stopped for lunch. We stopped at the same place that we had dinner last night. The food was good, the place was decent, so we decided that okay, fine, why not stop by the same place since we were passing by. So we ordered thali. We'll have a thali, and for the thali the start is a soup. So I have my soup here. Have the soup, let the thali come. We'll have lunch and then continue our journey. And our thali has arrived. We have roti and we have two sabjis, dal. What sweet is that, Ra? There is some sweet, I don't know what, and curd. And we'll have little rice. He is already done with the sweet as well. He liked it. And here comes our rice as well. There it is. Complete. the famous Bangalore-Pune tunnel is here. It was a long-term wish for me to ride through this tunnel, and it's time now. Woo! Just carved out. And there is our exit. Wow, that was nice. Wow, what a sight. You can just see greenery as far as you can see. New Katraj tunnel. Oh yeah, this is a wider tunnel compared to the previous one. Speed limit is 80. Wow. Lorry view is quite the view. Finally, we found traffic in Pune city traffic. We are heading through the city. We are heading towards Shanivarwada Palace. So tomorrow we thought we'll visit that place first. So might as well stay close by to that place. It'll be better. Wake up early and check the place, and then we can check out and plan the rest of the day. That should be an easy task.